Welcome to the Afredac Ubuntu Platform. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to create an account and log into the Afredac Ubuntu Platform. First, open your search engine and type in afredac.net. Click on the first link you see. You'll be taken directly to the Create an Account page. Here you'll need to fill in some basic information. Enter your email, password, first and last name, and preferred username. Don't forget to share your field of work, where you're based, and your social media links. After filling out all the details and agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy, click on the Create Account button. Once your email is verified, your account will be ready to use. Now, let's log into your account. Enter your registered email address and password. Click the Login button to access your account. Welcome to your dashboard. Here, you can explore all the features and services of the Afredac Ubuntu Platform offers. New feed from health researchers, communities of practice, e-learning training, resources including blogs, events, forums, and opportunities. It's that simple to join our community. Sign up today and start making the most out of afredac.net. Visit www.afredac.net and embark on your journey with us.